What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to look at how to install a full system on a Yamaha 6. So right now we got the GYTR can on the stock headers, which means the catalytic converter is still there, and that's quite a bit restrictive. So these are the headers we're going to be putting on. We sourced them from a guy who was wrecking an R6. I'm pretty sure they're stock headers, but someone's taken out the cat and they've just put a straight Y pipe through air. It looks like titanium, but it's not, but it's still way better than what we have now. There's something wrong with my mic. Maybe if I speak in Tamil it'll be better. Maybe this will fix it.
Tamil பேசுங்கோ.
தமிழ் பேசுவேன், ஆனா உன்கிட்ட பேச மாட்டேன்.
Do a video without the can.
Actually, not bad.
You just leave it like that. Don't worry about the headers, just leave the bike like that. So to remove the headers, we need to take off these nuts here and possibly take out the mount for the radiator.
Lighter. Not bad. Ooh. Probably half the weight. Maybe 3/4. Try it.
Nice. Whoa, heavy. Oh, light man.
Yeah.
gotta take out this exhaust bung and install this O2 sensor, and then we need to torque all the bolts on the headers to 20 Newton meters. So we'll use a torque wrench for that. As you guys would have heard, the sound is quite tinny, so we're gonna put the stock muffler back onto the new headers and see if that makes any difference. Better.
Hey. One up. You keep forgetting it.